which transformation carries the parallelogram below onto itself? So I always like to take a look at the diagram before I take a look at the answer choices, because I don't want the answer choices to skew my way of thinking. And what you want to do is you want to take a look at the coordinates here and how they're related, M, A, T, and H. And the first thing I noticed between all these four coordinates is between A and H, the coordinates, the signs of the coordinates are reversed. And the same thing could be said about M and T. The signs of the coordinates are reversed. This is one of the patterns for reflecting something over the origin, where we're doing a point reflection, or you can also think of it as a rotation over the origin for 180 degrees. So if you connect A to the origin, and then from the origin to H, you will see that all three of these points, A, the origin, and H, they're all collinear. They form a straight line. This, again, demonstrates why this would be a point rotation of 180 degrees over the origin. And then the same thing could be said about M and T. Right? So just to recap, if we're rotating something 180 degrees, what would happen is the coordinates, they will remain the same, but the signs are reversed. What would happen if we were to rotate something over the origin by, say, 90 degrees? Well, if you recall, what happens then is the coordinates, the y coordinate becomes the x coordinate, and it gets negated, right? And then the x coordinate becomes the y coordinate. And then what would happen if we were to go the other way, right? Negative 90, or let's say 270 degrees. Well, in that case then, whoops, I'll write a little better. A comma B, if we're going in that direction. So that would be the y coordinate would become the x coordinate, and the x coordinate will get negated. And so let's see here. The best answer choice here that would match my way of thinking here, that appears to be option 4. Let's just, while we're reviewing, rigid motions, let's take a look at the other options here. If we're reflecting over the line y equals to x, what would that be? So if I have a comma b, a reflection over the line y equals to x, the x's and y's, they get reversed. Okay, and if we're reflecting over the line y equals to negative x, what would happen in that case? They too will also get reversed, but it will get reversed negatively. So it will become negative b comma negative a. Okay.